So here's a quick talk over of me sanding a bathroom. The bathroom is in Chestnut parquet and it has a polyurethane finish on which needed to be removed and some really deep ingrained scratches into the floor. So we're sanding with a 50 grit ceramic paper, and you can see the sand is able to go right up to the edge of the furniture. You can see the dip marks where I've been going right up to the radiator edge. And obviously I can choose any direction I want to go in because the sander is a multi-disc machine, which means as I'm doing here, working right up to the edge of the skirting board, really close to the shower tile area and up towards the glass of the shower. This is one of the reasons I use the sander, is because I've got no problems with working close up to border edges, because the sander has a skirt which is also for the dust collection but also acts as a barrier, stopping me from damaging paintwork as on the cabinetry here, and allowing me to make sure that your furniture does not get damaged by my sanding process. Obviously that's really important to me and even more important to my clients. So here, where we're drawing the sander back to work around the edge of that cabinet, I've been left with basically an inch to sand, which I'll use one of the Festool R90 sanders for, and that will then give me a really clean line. The other thing about this sander, as you can see, is that it's fully dustless. There's no dust in the room. I've got a external extractor that's picking up the dust through a 36mm hose. The sander is also really quiet, which means I'm not disturbing you while I work. The other benefits of using this machine is that it's a lot faster than a drum sander, because there's no physical way that this room could have been sanded due to its size and the bath being right in the centre of the room. You couldn't have sanded this with a traditional drum sander. This is why we were called, because we had 3 bathrooms to finish. And here you can see the bath in the centre of the room and the spider working around the bath and up to the bath edge again, and allowing me to work up to the door threshold, into the window threshold. While I'm sanding, I'm smoothing that floor, removing all that polyurethane varnish and allowing me to remove those deeply ingrained scratches as well. And I'm doing it at half the speed of what it would have taken to do it by hand, or if someone would have attempted to do it with a drum sander. So this is why we are a specialist for bathroom restoration works, for bathroom refinishing works, and for newly laid parquet in bathrooms as well, because we're efficient, we're dust free, we're cost effective, we're quiet, and we ensure that our clients end up with a perfect floor. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope that explains a little bit more about why we use the Pall Mall Spider on the majority of our sanding projects. Thank you.